Okay, Lauren, I'm gonna leave you. This ant thing is too much. And you picked the worst possible place to eat at. Hopefully I'll have some more videos up soon that are higher quality and not just about how badly I don't want to get attacked by ants right now. Let me see if I put a rock near him, if he'll, yeah, he didn't notice. Bellity, you are laying in ants. Here, Belly. Lauren, I don't want to. Okay. Go eat it. Go. Lauren, go ahead. Lauren, go ahead and eat it. Go. Lauren, it's okay. Lauren. I'm trying to freak out. Okay. It's okay. I don't want it. Go eat. Lauren, go eat it. Lauren, shut